It rips sulfur monoxide easily. Oftentimes the slime we show is overactivated. We overactivate slime because it will melt down during the shipping process. If we ship slime at the perfect texture, it would probably arrive melted due to summer heat. Wait so they are edible. I will never not have to make this explanation video. But I am glad you asked. Our slimes are not edible. They may look edible and smell delicious, but still don't eat them. All the ingredients we add are chemicals, clay, oils, and they can be harmful if ingested. Also, slime doesn't taste good. Trust me.
Add so many sprinkles that the slime now looks like a crunch slime. Here we go. First crunch. It feels so squishy because of the balls. Makes nice sounds though. You're getting the tingles yet. It's so squishy I'm gonna die. That one despicable me girl. Any more requests?
Make marshmallow peeps with me. First we add our clay blocks. Now we add our pink clay balls. Next we add our pink steps. Look at the peeps cloud. Now we add Mr. Slimy Man. More clay. Bubblegum set. Easter chicks and eggs. So smooth and creamy yum.
Customer. Hello, I ordered from your shop and I got the wrong slimes.
Me. Hi. I'm sorry about that. Please send a photo.
Customer. Sends photo of a different slime shop slimes.
Me. I'm sorry, but that is X Shop's slimes, not ours.
Customer. Are you right sorry?
Make Oreo ice cream with me. First we add in our Oreo. Let it mix. Now we add in more cream. Cream cookie. Now we add more cream balls. Now we add 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of oil. Look at the charm it comes with. How many scoops do you want? Do you put real stuff into the slimes? Like eggs and stuff? No. In all our videos, we are adding slime ingredients, not real food items. We just call the ingredients as food so it seems like we are baking. If we added real food, the slime would instantly melt down. Also, the slime would go moldy after a while, which wouldn't be good. My thoughts while making Coca-Cola ICPT3. Oh Lord, this is gonna be a mess. So mushy. Mix. The Coca-Cola scent looks sus. I am a magician. It's so soft and squishy.
Can you make edible slime? I would buy it.
Right now we only sell not edible slime. Even though they look tasty and smell like real food, they are not edible. Edible slime is hard to make and I don't think it would last as long as regular slime. Right now we can't make any, but we would let you know if we figured it out. Make spearmint fluff with me. First we add our clay blocks. More. Marie. Even Marie.
Her eyebrows were then waxed.
Mixy mix. Now add our spearmint eucalyptus scent. Look at the cloud charm. So soft and creamy yum. Make cereal milk boba with me. First we add our crushed Fruit Loops. Next our Fruit Loops. Now add our boba. Is boba even good? Your order is ready. My thoughts while making watermelon chunks. Squirt. Okay, this is actually smooth. Okay, I know this is gonna be so messy. Not sure how I feel about this. The watermelon slices and seeds are so cute. More watermelon sugar. Hi? Okay, this actually feels like I'm playing with cereal. So crunchy and soft. OMG, come feel this, you guys. Just look how thick and juicy this slime is. Do you ever get tired of making slime? For the most part, no. It's the most fun thing ever. But slime can be heavy. Lifting pounds of slime into the mixer and pulling it out is a workout. But tell me, would this be a dream job for you? What's the point of playing with slime with gloves on? We wear gloves for your safety. The gloves keep any debris from getting in the slime. It is a little annoying to play with slime with gloves, but it's worth it for the customers. Once the slime gets to you, you can play without gloves. Just make sure to wash your hands before playing with it and play on a clean surface so it won't collect germs and debris. Or you can play with gloves on too. Your choice, lol. How to make circus animal cookie slime. First we add our slime man, Rip Slime Man. Now we add our sugar cup. Next we add our pink sugar. Now we add 1/2 cup of oil. Don't forget to add our real circus animal cookies. I ate the whole bag after this. Mix, mix, mix. And done. Make stitch with me. Aggressive edition. First we add our blue clay in aggressively. More clay. Now throw our blue balls in. Slam dunk. Now add our sand in. It splashed me in the eye. Rip stitch. Customer? Hi, my order came and the slime is rock hard. Me. Hello. Did you add the white powder to the slime?
Customer. Yes, I did. Me. If the slime is sticky, the white powder is supposed to be added to water first. This is all on the care card. Customer.
Wait, so they are edible. I will never not have to make this explanation video. But I am glad you asked. Our slimes are not edible. They may look edible and smell delicious, but still don't eat them. All the ingredients we add are chemicals, clay, oils, and they can be harmful if ingested. Also, slime doesn't taste good. Trust me. It rips sulfur monoxide easily. Oftentimes the slime we show is overactivated. We overactivate slime because it will melt down during the shipping process. If we ship slime at the perfect texture, it would probably arrive melted due to summer heat.